Welcome back to your favorite channel Math Helper. See exercise 10.2 question number 13. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral subscribing a circle. Subscribing a circle means outside of a circle. Subtend supplementary angle at the center of the circle. Opposite side means AB and CD. This angle plus this angle is 180 degrees supplementary. So you have to prove that angle AOB plus angle DOC is equal to 180 degree, or you can prove this also that angle AOD plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. So I am doing this. You can do this also, that angle AOD plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Very easy question, important also. For proving it, you have to draw the radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle which is joining to the point of contact. Now you want this angle full plus this angle full equal to 180 degree. So you can take this triangle which is forming from the exterior end, point A. You see that suppose this point is E, this is F, this is G, this is H, point of contact with the tangent. So you will take in triangle EOA and triangle AHO. These two triangles, you see that AH is equal to AE because it is tangent. It is tangent from same exterior point. Therefore, they are equal. AH is equal to AE. Now AO is equal to AO common because it is common in both the triangles. So you will write common. Then EO is equal to OH, radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Therefore, triangle EOA is congruent to triangle AHO by SSS. SSS. Now they are congruent. Therefore, suppose this angle is 1, this is 2. You will write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If suppose you are taking this 3, this 4. Similarly, you can prove triangle EOB congruent to triangle BOF. Then similarly, you will get angle 3 is equal to angle 4. No need to do again. You can write directly angle 3 equal to angle 4. Then again, OFC is congruent to triangle OCG. Same reason. OF is equal to OG, radii of same circle. OC is common in both, so OC equal to OC. And then you can take that CF. CF is equal to CG because they are tangent from same exterior point. So these two triangles are congruent. So if this angle is 5, this is 6, you can say angle 5 is equal to angle 6. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Now this is 7, suppose this is 8. So similarly you can say angle 7 is equal to angle 8 because OG is equal to OH. Same reason, radii of same circle, OD is common. Then you can say that HD is equal to DG because they are tangent from same exterior point. Now suppose this is first equation, this is second equation, this is third equation, this is fourth equation. Now you know that angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 plus angle 2. All these angles sum is 360 degree. Complete angle forming is 360 degree. Now you want angle 1 plus angle 3 because AOB angle 1 plus angle 3 you want. So you will write angle 1 plus angle 3 as it is. Angle 4 you write angle 3 because angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Then you can write here in side that what you have to prove. You have to prove angle 1 plus angle 3 because angle AOB is angle 1 plus angle 3. And DOC plus DOC. DOC is angle 7 plus angle 6. You have to prove 180. So by this it will be easier, that which you have to replace by what. Now 5 also you don't want here, see. So in place of 5 what you can write, 6. 6 you want, so you write as it is. 7 you want, so you write as it is. 8 you don't want, see 8 is not there, so in place of 8 you can write 7. Then 2 also you don't want, so in place of 2 you can write angle 1, so you can write like this. Now angle 1 plus angle 1, 2 angle 1, angle 3 plus angle 3, 2 angle 3, angle 6 plus angle 6, 2 angle 6, angle 7 plus angle 7, 2 angle 7 is equal to 360 degree. So 2 you can take common, you will get angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to, here 360 will come, 360. So 362 you will take this side, so 360 over 2, that will come 180 degree. Now angle 1 plus angle 3, angle 1 plus angle 3 is angle AOB, and angle 6 plus angle 7 is angle DOC. It came equal to 180 degree. This only you have to prove, see, this only you have to prove. So you will write hence proof. Thank you, and don't forget to like my video and share my channel. Thank you very much.